Hello students, good morning. Let's start today's class. Dear student, today we will discuss about the remaining part of chapter 15, industries. Before this we had discussed about industries, requirement of an industry, raw material and types of industries. In types of industries, we saw industries are mainly classified into two categories. First one is based on raw material and other one is based on the scale of operation. Based on the scale of operation, we saw agro-based industries, mineral-based industries and forest-based industries. And then after we saw, depending upon the scale of operation, on the basis of scale of operation, large scale industries, small scale industries and cottage industries. And now today we are going to discuss about some important industries in India. Dear student, in this section we will discuss about the important industries of India and where they are basically located. So let's start. You can see here some important industries in India. First of all, we will see cotton textile. It is one of the earliest industries to be set up in India. Yes, student, जो कॉटन इंडस्ट्रीज है, यू कैन से टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्रीज, ये बेटा तब सेटअप हुई थी जब जहांगीर का शासनकाल था। जहांगीर के शासनकाल में उस समय सर टॉमस रो आए थे परमिशन लेने के लिए, तो उन्होंने सूरत में फैक्ट्री खोलने का परमिशन दिया था। तो बेटा इट इज़ वन ऑफ द अर्लीस्ट इंडस्ट्रीज, मतलब सबसे पहली इंडस्ट्री या सबसे पुरानी जो इंडस्ट्री है बेटा वो ये है कॉटन टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्रीज। इन कॉटन टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्रीज दिस थिंग्स आर मेड फॉर अस क्लोथ्स। यस, इंडिया इज वन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड्स लीडिंग प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ कॉटन टेक्सटाइल। बेटा जो इंडिया है वो विश्व का पूरा लीडिंग प्रोड्यूसर है, मतलब पैदा करने वाला। कॉटन टेक्सटाइल से कपड़े ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा यहाँ इंडिया से प्रोड्यूस होते हैं। एंड नेक्स्ट थिंग इज द मेजर कॉटन मिल्स आर लोकेटेड इन मुंबई, अहमदाबाद, कोयम्बटूर, कोलकाता, कानपुर एंड मदुराई। बेटा यू नो बेसिकली द इंडस्ट्रीज related with the things only they are located there where the availability of raw material is good. कहने का मतलब यह है कि बेटा कॉटन इंडस्ट्रीज या कोई भी इंडस्ट्रीज वहाँ पे लोकेटेड होती है, वहाँ पे स्टेबल की जाती है, जहाँ पे उसको आसानी से और कम से कम पैसे में रॉ मटेरियल मिल जाए, और यही इंडस्ट्री के हित में होता है। इसलिए बेटा इन कॉटन इंडस्ट्रीज these are the states where cotton mills are located: Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Coimbatore, Kolkata, Kanpur and Madurai. These are the states where cotton industries are located. And next, silk textile and woolen textile. Silk textile and woolen textile. In this section, in this topic, we will see silk is a natural thread obtained from silkworm. बेटा जो सिल्क होता है ये किससे बनाया जाता है? इट इज अ नेचुरल थ्रेड, मतलब प्रकृति के द्वारा बनाया हुआ धागा है ना। इस ये जो बनता है बेटा वो क्या है? नेचर के थ्रू बनाया जाता है। किससे बनता है बेटा? ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम सिल्क वॉर्म। सिल्क वॉर्म का मतलब है बेटा रेशम वाला कीड़ा होता है जो कि रेशम प्रोड्यूस करता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड सिल्क वॉर्म्स। एंड Silk textile industries are located mainly in Bengaluru, Mysore, Varanasi, Kanchipuram, and Murshidabad. Yes, student. Silk textile industries are located mainly in बेंगलुरु. बेटा जो सिल्क टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्रीज हैं वो जन कहाँ पे लोकेटेड है बेटा? बेंगलुरु में, मैसूर में, वाराणसी में, कांचीपुरम एंड मुर्शिदाबाद. So these are the places where silk textile industries are located. Silk textile, or you can say woolen textile industries, are located because these industries get raw material from these places. So always keep in mind, my dear student, if any industries are located in any area, the reason will be availability of raw material. Okay, so these are the places where silk textile or woolen textile industries are located. Woolen textile industries are located in Amritsar, Ludhiana, Srinagar, and Panipat. Beta, if we are talking about the woolen industries, yeah, woolen textile industries are located in Amritsar, Ludhiana, Srinagar, and Panipat. These are the places where from where we get wool. So basically, woolen industries are located in these places. Next is iron and steel industries. Yes, student, iron and steel industries. Iron and steel industries are located. These large scale industries are located near iron ore and coal mines. Beta, when we are talking about the types of industries on the basis of scale of operation, at that time I had told you large scale industry. Large scale industry means iron and steel industries are there in large scale industries. So these large scale industries, that's why it is written here large scale industries. Okay, large scale industries are located near iron ore and coal mines. The main centers of iron and steel production are Jamshedpur, Bhilai, Bokaro, Durgapur, Rourkela, Vishakhapatnam, and Salem. So, the main centers of iron and steel production are Jamshedpur, Bhilai, Bokaro, Durgapur, Rourkela, Vishakhapatnam, and Salem. These are the places where iron and steel industries are located. So, because these places have sufficient amount of these minerals, so that's why these industries are located in these places. This industries also supports This industries also supports many small industries. Beta, it is very important industries because of this industries, many industries is doing their work. Because if we are open any industry, there is need of machinery and different things which are made with iron and steel. So keep in mind, this industries also supports many small industries called ancillary industries. These are called ancillary industries also. So, my dear student, it's all about our today's class, and in our next video we will see the remaining industries of India: automobiles, electronic goods, shipbuilding industries, engineering goods, oil refineries, and many other industries we will see in our next class. Thank you. Have a nice